Did you ever have a hard time trying to figure out why your 7-inch quad is shaking when you are trying to go against wind? And even just 10 miles per hour winds, my 7-inch quadcopter, which is running INAV 6, actually, even with the other version, and also with Betaflight, every time I fly through a wind, I see it is shaking. I think it's called turbulence. I've been trying to figure it out with no luck until yesterday. So I've talked to different people, and most of them are saying, yeah, you need to increase the derivative. And that's what I've always done, even in Betaflight, EmuFlight. And today, I'm on iNav Explorer, or specifically iNav Configurator. So what I've been doing for the past months, trying to figure out that shaking thing, is this part over here, the derivative on roll and pitch. And this was set to 25 before, and I tried increasing it slowly, like 25, 26, and now it's at 30. And as well as derivative, I think it was at 27. And quite honestly, I didn't see any improvement. It was still shaking. So the next thing I did, I continued watching different tuning tutorials, and unfortunately, iNav's black box logs is not compatible with PID Toolbox. When I tried to open it, it was showing like unknown error set point 0, something like that. I didn't spend too much time trying to figure out how to get it working, so I just went to visit other places. Like, for example, okay, let me check BL Heli 32 settings. I've always used 24 kilohertz in PWM frequency, but what I did change yesterday was the motor timing and ramp up power. The ramp up power was previously set to 30%. I bumped it up to 50%. And motor timing, I watched Chris Roser and UAV Tech, and they said if the kV of the motor is low, like for example for a 1300 kV, motor timing should be around like 16. So I tried that, and maybe it helped a little, but it didn't. So I was really losing hope, and I look at the numbers here, or attributes, because I was really really eager how to fix that shaking issue. And I came across this page, okay, and I was like, okay, dynamic gyro LPF, which is last what's this again? LPF, I forgot. Low pass filter. And I remember seeing this in Betaflight, and I think it helps. So what I did yesterday is enabled it. I don't know the values. Maybe this is a range, minimum and max cutoff. So that means any issue, any like oscillation. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I'm using the word oscillation between 200 frequency and 500 frequency. That would actually be covered, so since it's in the range. I don't know this number five value here. I don't know, but yeah, I enabled it and I saved it, and then I tried it again that same day, and yeah, looks like it helped big time. It looks like the shaking is almost gone, and I don't see it much more anymore. There's still a few left, especially when I fly really close to the ground, like for example 6 inches above the ground. So maybe the air is disturbing the quadcopter because it's so low. The quadcopter is trying to push the air down to the ground, and the air that's being pushed is actually going back to the quadcopter, making it wobble, right? So yeah, although I've done that many times in my 5-inch quad, and trust me, I don't see the wobble. So I don't know. So if I don't know if there are other settings that I need to do to really get rid of that last wobbling. If you guys have any information about how to address that, please let me know in the comment section. Alright, anyways, here's the video, and I'm quite happy with all the results now. Alright, thank you.